20 miles long to get to the campsite we wanted to be at in order to be next to the CDT to do the trail magic for the Bennett family. And Second Chance had headed out there hours before me because I was waiting for a video to upload. Anyway, once I got there, he told me he does like 50 on these back roads. I'm like, I can't do that with my gypsy wagon. That little baby will shake apart. I already have one broken window, unfortunately. So anyway, once I got to camp, he was really bummed because somewhere on this 20-mile super bumpy dirt road in the middle of nowhere, his bike tire rattled loose off of his bike. So he's been like all bummed. And if you guys follow me at all, you know that I'm into manifesting. I'm like, nope, gonna manifest this. We will find it. Probably about 14 miles into this 20-mile road, and look what I found. Mr. Corey's Second Chance's tire. And I can't tell him I found it because of course we have zero service out here. Excuse me. So hopefully he's happy because he didn't think he was gonna find it.
That's sweet. Okay, Aminos, let's check out our new campsite. We're out here outside the Tetons. Whoa, 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 whoa. My flippa-floppies are giving out from underneath me. Ah, look at our new home. That's a nice backyard if you ask me. So Tetons, a little cloudy right now. We got some stormage going on, but you know what? Look at that. We're all out of wind. We're all out of breath. Hold on just a second. Okay, we suck at high fives.
Here we go.
We've tried this numerous times for different occasions.
Here we go. I believe in us. Yes!
You stick your tongue out, it helps.
We finally did it. Yeah, we're like two old people trying. And we don't even know what we're doing. We're like, every which way.
Checking out a new trail. Come on, let's go. Lucy Lou leading the way. That grandma game. This cute little grandma's butts. I love her. I do not have trail legs. Whoa, there's a campsite. Dang. All right. Campground with the view of the Tetons. Oh my gosh. AKA heaven. What? Look at that. That looks fake. That's amazing. This is a cool campground.
Best part, it's free.
Right? Don't tell people that. We don't know where we are. Oh my goodness. Yes.
You can see the Snake River too.
That is amazing. Someone told me the Snake River got its name by the Native American petroglyphs. It was always pictured as like a form of a snake, just because of its windiness, but it has nothing to do with snakes. Kind of interesting. Okay, my phone sucks. Y'all know this. I'm getting a new phone in the next not touristy town where there are millions of dollars. I know, it sucks. They're just, why do they make them so expensive? It's like $1,000 for a phone.
I know.
Do you know how many foods that is? That's a lot of food.
A lot of food.
It's a lot of gases and a lot of foods.
It's a ridiculous amount of gas, right?
And a ridiculous amount of foods.
Oh, foods. I love it. Tacos. We gotta think of tacos. I forgot, he pretty much said the same way, just like,
yeah,
magical, spiritual, everything.
Well, I'm pretty sure this looks like Jesus is about to show up. He's about to lay down. Or not lay down, that sounds horrible. He already did that once. He's about to stand up again. I don't know how to word this. This is going down here really fast, even though we're up on a hill. Oh hell, let me start over. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. Look at Those beautiful clouds. I love that. It's amazing. I think I'm gonna go hike over here. Maybe up to that mountain up there. There's thunder all around us. There's definitely some coming from this side. Pretty dark over there. Good girl, Luce. Ooh, I just got a blast of cold air. All right. I just don't feel like there's any wind. So for it to really get here too quick doesn't seem plausible. Ooh, that's pretty. Sometimes you just gotta sit out in a thunderstorm. I love the wind. The clouds above are really dark. We are in a thunderstorm. But I haven't seen any lightning yet, just hearing thunder. And lots of beautiful, fun wind moving everything around. Are still really chapped. I can't smile normal. Oh, here comes some more thunder. Wonderful. That's what I wanted to catch. Finally got it. God, that's beautiful even though with the dark sky. I love sitting out in thunderstorms. I'm crazy like that.
Yeah,
we should just sit out here in the rain.
I love the rain.
Me too.
Except when you're hiking and it's raining 3 days straight.
Yeah, well, of course. Or if it's cold and raining.
Yeah.
It did cool down a lot. 1, 1,000. 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. 3 miles away. Ooh, I love it. What are those, Little Leaf? Are those horses? Are those horses? You made it a little nervous. Are those big? What are those? Yeah, those are horses. Good, how are you?